Today, we're putting a twist to a Southern classic. We're making a no seafood boil. Yes, you heard me. All the good flavors from a seafood boil, but with no seafood. Let me show you guys how to do it. All right, guys, to begin, we're going to boil our eggs. I'm using about 7 eggs. We're going to add it right in here, just like this. We're just going to boil these for about 10 to 15 minutes, okay? While that is boiling, I'm going to cut my sausage. I'm using Cajun style Andouille sausage. This sausage is so delicious, okay? Especially when you're making a seafood boil. Something like this, nothing fancy. I like a nice, beautiful sear on them. So I have my skillet already preheating on medium high. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil, and then I'm going to add my sausage in there. Just like this. It is time for me to flip my sausages over. So we're just going to flip them over. You see that beautiful color on them? That's what we're looking for. Yes, that's beautiful. I'm going to let the other side get nice and golden brown, and then I'll remove it to set it aside. All right, now it's time to remove the sausages. I'm going to just set them aside for now. And whatever oil I have in here, I'm going to discard most of it because I'm going to add in some butter so we can make the sauce. So just drain some of that oil. We're going in with 4 tablespoons unsalted butter. Unsalted because all the seasoning, they already has salt. So once you add that in, you're going in with about 1/4 of an onion diced. Going to fry that for a little bit. Also, we have about 2 cloves of garlic minced. Fry that for a few minutes. Once you start smelling the aroma, you're going in with your seasoning. I'm using 4 different types of seasoning. My Cajun crushed seasoning, I'll have the link below. A little bit of Old Bay, a little bit of lemon pepper, and as well as some paprika. Now to dilute the sauce, I have 1 cup of chicken broth, okay? We're going to add that in, or you can just use butter only, okay? Trying to make it a little bit healthy, if you know what I mean. Now we're going to let that simmer. Let it reduce for a little bit, and then we'll add the sausage. My eggs is pretty much done. I'm just going to peel the egg and add it to this. All right, guys, I ended up adding 2 more tablespoons of butter in here just so it can be a little bit more buttery. Now I'm going in with the sausage at that end. Something like this, carefully. And I'm going to add a little bit of parsley, and this is pretty much done. I'm going to turn that off and peel my eggs so we can pour that sauce over the eggs, okay? Let's do it. I have a bowl with some water in it. I'm going to add some ice so I can cool down the egg before, you know how hot it gets when you're trying to peel them off. So my eggs are nice and ready. I'm going to remove them, set them into the nice and cold water so we can peel them nice and easy. And voila. You see how easy that was? It's not as hot. You guys like the name? Let me know down below. Anyways, you can add some potatoes to this as well if you like. All right, now it is time to pour in my delicious no seafood boil sauce. It's so good, y'all. So good. there you have it, a no seafood boil recipe. It's so good. Let's give it a try. Listen, you gotta try this, okay? If you are a seafood boil lover, definitely give this a try. The flavor is so bold. You have the Cajun, the lemon pepper. You can add some hot sauce, but it got a kick to it already. The egg soaks up all of the sauce. It's so good, okay? This is the perfect snack when you're craving something easy, delicious. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Give it a try and come back. Let me know how you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Also give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.